And you actually play a character who, ages quite a bit. You go from 19 to 45 in the film, right? So how do you
Yes,
do
yeah.
that?
So,
And do you do the scenes in order of age, or did you go back and forth?
no, we did actually go back and forth a little bit, and we did make sure. I think Deepa did make sure that she started with the younger bits.
Mm.
But there were places where, because of locations and practicality, you do have to kind of move a little back and forth. But uh, I think we'd done our groundwork before that with Deepa, with her guidance. So it wasn't so difficult. Like, Deepa really sat with us on over and above. So initially we had workshops that we did for the workshops were for about 4 days, and people came in and out as and when their schedules allowed them.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, I got 2 days in it. Some people got 3, 4, whatever, and those workshops really helped in. They were meant to be workshops to kind of find the essence of your character and find a comfortable, because it's also a book which has a lot of interconnected relationships.
Right.
Some very obvious relationships and some not so obvious ones. For example, the fact that babies are swapped. So the one I think is my son is not my son, and the one who I don't ever meet and see in my life ends up being my son. So,
Right.
Things like that, and sisters and brothers and cousins and aunts and uncles. There's so many people,
Yeah.
so, and so many complicated relationships with them. So I think all those things were established through the workshops, through detailed discussions on each scene that Deepa used to have with the actors. She would take each actor and do all their scenes with all the other characters through readings. Then besides that, on the day of the shoot, she would rehearse each scene as many number of times as there were actors in the scene, each time focusing on one particular actor and their motivations for their character and their reactions. However big or small their contribution was to that scene.
Right.
So so all those things. I mean, honestly, we really had to just go with the flow of it to bring out the best. And and Deepa really has a gift with actors in terms of how she brings things out, and very good emotional understanding, and she's very, very focused on her work. Like, I don't think she ever thought of anything except the film and the book 24/7 for those 4 months that she was shooting.
Right.
So, the aging part actually was very easy, I would say. Again, like I said, in line with the whole going with the flow, I think all of us, we used to discuss this because a lot of characters age through the film, and just getting into a different costume, or or the slight change in the hair, or the slight change in makeup. Deepa was very clear she didn't want prosthetic makeup.
Right.
So what was done was just a slight highlighting of the lines on your face, or allowing your dark circles to show a little more, or darkening them maybe a little bit. A very mild graying of the hair, but there were other things in terms of using the period, using the age-specific understanding in things like costumes and hair. So little things like when I play young, I have a plain, long, oiled plait, and my clothes, in terms of my clothes, I have salwar kameez. Then when I get married and I'm a mother and I'm pregnant and I have an infant, I still have my braid, but I start wearing sarees, cotton sarees. Then once I have a 10-year-old, there's a certain maturity, so then the hair changes to a bun, and there's a slight kind of wave,
Right.
The parting on the hair, and your clothes become a pinned up chiffon sari. Just little things like this would help in bringing that feeling. And I remember the first day that we did the scenes where we were playing the older bracket, like the oldest bracket in terms of age. All of us had this certain fatigue and languidness in our body language as soon as we were put into hair, makeup, and costume. We all started seeing ourselves look like that. We also had that certain lethargy and fatigue in our body language. It's just so many of these things are visually aided.
Yeah, of course.